Hello, everyone. I hope your day is going well so far. Today, we're going to start a new lesson on solving two-step equations. I know you're probably wondering, what is a two-step equation? It is an equation that requires two steps to solve. So you're going to be using two operations in order to find the missing value. And we call that missing value a variable such as x. Now, the steps for solving two-step equations. First, you need to solve for any addition or subtraction on the variable side of the equation by undoing the operation from both sides of the equation. Second, you will need to solve any multiplication or division from variable side of the equation by undoing the operation from both sides of the equation. Now, don't forget to use opposite operations. So you're using inverse operations. Inverse operation is the opposite of the operation. So for example, if this equation is involving addition, then you would undo the operation using subtraction. And vice versa with multiplication, you will undo the operation using division. Example 1. So we have 4x minus 5 equals 11. And draw the line down, the equal sign, to let you know that the left side does equal the right side. Now, in order to solve for x, what we're going to do is isolate that variable by adding 5 to both sides. Okay, and then we simplify. Bring down to 4x. And 11 plus 5 is 16. Now, because the signs or the numbers have the same sign, all you do is add. So positive 11 plus positive 5 will give us positive 16. Now we're going to divide both sides by 4. Again, remember, we're undoing the operation. So the inverse operation of multiplication, where the 4 is next to the x, that means to multiply. Remember, there's different ways to express multiplication. That is one way to express multiplication, when the number is next to the variable. So what we're going to do is undo that operation by dividing both sides by 4. And then simplify. So 16 divided by 4 is 4. Okay, now you can always check to see if your solution is correct by plugging it into the original equation. So we were to replace x with 4, we'll have 4 times 4, 16, 16 minus 5 does equal 11. So we have found the correct solution to the equation. Example number 2. We're solving for x divided by 3 plus 4 equals 9. So again, I'm going to draw that line through the equal sign. And then in order to find x, we're going to isolate the variable by subtracting 4 from both sides of the equation. And that keeps that equation balanced. Whatever you do to the left side, you have to do to the right side. So now we have x over 3 equals 5. So now what we're going to do is undo the x over 3 represents division. So the inverse operation of division will be multiplication. So we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 3. And that will give us x equals 15. Again, if you was to plug your solution back into the original problem, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 does equal 9. So we have found the correct solution. Now you go ahead and try these examples on your own, and then we're going to review to check to see if you were able to get the correct answers.